The Matrangela is a typical Sicilian statuette born in the 1800s, Santo Stefano di Camastra, which literally translates into Mother of Angels. It is a female winged figure, used to be called a pupa cullale, and traditionally these small ceramic statuettes were only one color and mostly pure white.
Molto antica, essa è sopravvissuta al culto di una tradizione siciliana.
They were given to young brides to wish them prosperity and a happy life. Traditionally, they were lamp or candle holders, but in the traditional cult, it was a lucky charm object, inaugural sculpture.
Per augurare prosperità, maternità, fecondità. La mia Matrangela nasce dalle mie visioni.
My Matrangela was born from my visions. These imaginative landscapes always linked to a rural context. There are these country houses. There are trees and a lot of peace. She's holding a house in her hand to keep it close and protected. On her head are these two doves, also bearers of happiness. She wears nature. She is our greatest mother, Mother Nature.
Questa sarà una nuova Matrangela.
Tu hai immaginato come portacamere.
This will be a new Matrangela, as a candle bearer with this sumptuous Sicilian dress, a peasant girl with a bunch of flowers. I always like to represent Matrangelas with something in their hands.
Infatti ha con sé questo mazzetto di fiori. Mi piace apporre sempre nelle mani di queste statuette un oggetto.
Quindi è un culto tipicamente siciliano?
Sì, sì.
Nasce in Sicilia?
Sì, nasce in Sicilia, già nell'800
a Santo Stefano.
cominciavano, sì, a Santo Stefano.